my name's Debbie, and I'm just going to do a vlog every week. I'm a bit shy, so it's my first time, so be patient. Doing about lockdown, COVID and all this stuff, and and about general things like walking and talking and what I'm doing now. And it's very windy here. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm on Berryhead in Brixham. If anybody don't know that, it's in the West Country, South Devon, and Brixham is part of Torquay. So you get Brixham, Paignton and Torquay, and it's very pretty here, and it's very good for holidays when the lockdown is finished, which people might be going on holiday this year, hopefully. You can go, so it tells you how many miles, the point of 190 foot above sea level. Well, Brixham 1 mile, is it 1 mile? Yeah, something like that. Portland Bill, that's that way, yeah. Bill, see it over that way. Sorry if I have my glasses away. My eyesight's not very good. I think I need to put these back savers again. Oh yeah, and when people take their dogs, it's like you have to watch the dogs. Because imagine if you have a dog, because there's a lot of dogs that go off these cliffs, you know, sometimes, because they throw a stick and it goes over. They wonder where's their dog and get blown. So you have to keep your dog on the lead. Otherwise, you know, like that advert, when that bloke threw a stick and the dog went out the window. Woo! This would be even worse on the cliff. Let's hope the dog's a good swimmer. But hang on. Oh, that's how bad. I'm going to get quite close. Oh, yeah. Wow. Got that. I'm getting vertigo. I'm getting all wheezy now. Oh, this is the lighthouse of it. We've got another one in Brixham. Another lighthouse that stops the ships from going to the cliff bits. Right. Oh yeah, and then there's another thing. If you've got any comments, you know, pet hate, well, things you don't, you know, pet hate, just put your things down below, and we'll talk about that. So I'm going to do this try to do it once a week, like once every Saturday, and have a good old chat. You know, I might talk rubbish sometimes. That's the old part of it, is being, you know, talking away, you know. Sometimes I go mad, like sometimes you don't want to talk to the trees, you can, you know, things. Oh, here, I'll show you this. Not very good at sort of things, history. I'm good at the Henry VIII's history, because I love Henry VIII. No, not love him, just chop your head off, but, you know. Wouldn't like to have a husband like him though. But yeah, this is where they sit in the old days. Yeah, they put their guns. Got like things. They just stand there. They probably stand there all day watching. What a boring job. Oh, and look over here. Oh look, 2 magpies. I just saw 2 magpies. That's good luck. I hope so. Anyway, I hope I get good luck. Hope lockdown gets, you know, hope we can go back to normal. Well, normalish. There, see the ships? Look at them. Blimey. See them? Cruising along. I wonder if they say who's got the biggest ship. Who, you know, who's the biggest one? My ship's bigger than yours. No, it's not. My ship's bigger than yours. Mine's got a, what's it called? Oh, what's it? Mercedes engine. Oh, has it really? Mine's just doing on steam. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? You know, like the cars, or my car's better than yours. Yeah, it's an old building. This was, oh, but here, I'll show you. I'm rattling on the This, in the summertime, you know, when it's normal, that opens and it tells you all about things. I can see in the window, can you see? You know, all this, and this is funded by the lottery fund. This is all this. So, yeah, see, R2, 1802. You see it there? There. That's what it's all about. And this is, oh, do you know, I've got a metal detector at home and I'd love to do it on here, but I don't think you're allowed. Imagine the things you find. They've probably already done it. But there's an old building here. It's got loads of old buildings on here. I think it was in like the 18th century. That's a bit of rubbish. I wish the people pick up the blooming rubbish. Makes me annoyed. It's like not picking up the dog poo. But yeah, that's an old building. Go along. See it? And that must be, oh, that could be like a fire chimney thing. It must have had to keep himself warm. And that must be another little room or something. Or little windows there. See it? It's alright. Another one. But I do like this. I love this brickwork. I really do. It's better than the modern things we get today. It's like cardboard. I'm living in a cardboard box, they say, don't they? So these brick working. They show you how to do it in them days, how to put up things. And nowadays it's like crash here, it's all done. Bit of a box, you know, stuff it all over. Cowboys, as they call them. Cowboy builders. Not running any builders down because there is good ones and there's bad ones. So if you've got any comments down below about, you want to moan about that, then you can moan about it. So that's, you know, right, going along. So beautiful. I love it here. Got loads of people coming up now. I can avoid them. Like zombies. Avoid people. Go play. Oh my god, look at them all. Yeah, loads. Yeah. The zombies are coming. Brains. Right. Just avoid people there. Going on this way. It's a bit more safer. Because I like to keep my distance, and, you know, and things. Oh. There we are. I hope you like. If I talk too much, just tell me to shut up. Just, you know, I haven't been up. Well, oops, I nearly tripped. Not looking where I'm going. So I bet a lot of people have that when they film me in something. They're not looking where they're going. They're just, oh, where is he? Not looking where we're going. Just trip up and make a fool of ourselves. Oh, but I might go over there because it's got something about the other side. And over that way is Torquay. I'll show you. faster. Right, just bear with me and walk a little bit faster. Oh god, my nose, it's getting cold. Everything else is warm, it's just my face and my nose, and you know. Here, this, like, we've got like Berry Head, we've got Goodrington Sands. That's, oh, I see an arrow. That's going up that way. There's Goodrington Sands. Salton, I can't say that. Salton Cove. That's up that way. Round Head, you can see, and then you got this one. I don't think I've ever been in that one. Oh, we'll have to try that next time. Royal Terrace, oh, that's pretty. Tor Abbey, that's very pretty. That's over there. Torquay Harbour, Triangle Point. We've got the Tor Abbey Hotel. Well, hotels are not opening yet. And you've got the Kent's. Oh, I always wanted to go there. My children have been there, but I've never been there, so I'd like to go there. Hope Snows, I've done that on my other video. That's the other week. That's really nice there. That's the first time I've ever been there, because before lockdown I've never been there. So, and that. So, oh, but here, down here, I see a dog down there, can't you? Down here in the summertime, they do a lot of fishing. It's packed full of fishing. They, you know, fishing, so it's getting really good fish there. I don't know if that's a seal over there. I don't know. But yeah, you do get a lot of fishing. Very good. You know, it's quite empty today, but yeah. And then you've got the quarry down over there, the quarry. And they do abseiling for kids and, you know, probably for different age groups. But I wouldn't mind having a go at that. Yeah, you've got all the ships. It's like a car park for ships. I wonder how much to go on there for a holiday. No, my luck, I'll probably go there and I'll be a proper cleaner or something, cleaning the decks or something. No, my luck. It's quite pricey to go there. No. Babbling on. The books are there down here. See that? Things oh, and another place. Oh, look at these ones. That's so cute. Those two dogs want to play with the other dogs. And you've got a really good cafe over there. It's really good. They do some really nice stuff, but you pay for what you get, so that's a really nice cup of teas and coffees and cappuccinos, whatever. You know, it's nice to sit here. Oh, and you could take, if you're an old person and you're not very good at walking, you can hire things. What's it called? Those buggy things or whatever they're called. Yeah. And you've got here. Your things for the children to do as well. The beaches, and plus Cornwall's not far, and Plymouth's not far to go, Exeter's not far to go, so you're all sort of talking, you're all, and Dartmouth, that's really, really pretty. It's really nice. Well, you get a lot of posh, you know, poshy people, yachts and things. But yeah, it's nice there. And Southampton beautiful. See, a lot of people come to Torbay and they don't really know South Hams, and South Hams is really beautiful. It's not so built up, but it's very, very pretty. And you've got Salcombe. Salcombe is like Chelsea by the sea. You get a lot of people from a lot of really sort of like made in Chelsea people. They got, I think somebody's got a shop there, and they stay there. You know, you get a lot of celebrities going there, and a lot of, you know, so you might bump into a celebrity in Salcombe. And apparently, I think Kate Bush lives in Salcombe. I think, oh, she got a holiday home there. I'm going now, so thank you for watching, and if you like, please like and subscribe, and if you've got any comments down below, and you know, what your pet hates and things, because I've got a lot of pet hates. It's probably, that's what we are, aren't we? Right, bye then.